Hi, and welcome back. I am Danilo Romolini, and today I brought you to the green heart of Italy. We are in Umbria, and we are about to discover together an incredible, fully restored 13th century monastery. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The location is stunning. We are on top of a hill with a 360-degree view, immersed in the total privacy of nature. And from here, you also have an incredible view on the historical town of Todi. To use all of this hilltop space, the property has been laid on several terraces. This is one of them and is where we find this gorgeous garden. From here, you also access to the church of the property. Right behind me, you get to the cloister, which is also connected on a side to some apartments and in the end to the main building for the owner. This is the original cloister, and it was used in the past by the monks to walk under when it was raining. In fact, all of the rainwater from the roof would be collected inside this well, which is original and it looks stunning. The property is 914 square meters in total, with 18 bedrooms and 15 bathrooms. It is surrounded by about 9.4 hectares of land, 4.7 of which are enclosed inside this beautiful stone wall. Questo posto è veramente meraviglioso, ricco di dettagli mozzafiato che ci portano indietro nel tempo. Guardate lassù, è mezzogiorno. We're now on the ground floor of the main villa. This is the living area, and I love it because it is so spacious and also full of original details, like this incredible terracotta floor, stone fireplace, and on my right, in the end, there is this beautiful fresco. Dal soggiorno arriviamo a questa terrazza. Un posto splendido, ideale per un caffè all'aria aperta, con il giardino di fronte e l'inconfondibile paesaggio dell'Umbria a fare da sfondo. And this is the dining room. As we keep going, we find this fully restored built-in kitchen. Over there is the access to the cloister we've seen before, and on my right we get to another beautiful terrace. Let me now walk you through the second floor of the owner's building. Here we find 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms in total. Here we find this beautiful garden for the main villa. I love it because it feels enclosed and very cozy and reserved. It has its own swimming pool And on my left, we find a relaxed outdoor area with a very useful built-in kitchen. Passing through the cloister, we arrive to 2 apartments, each one with its independent access. Let me now show you one of them. Here is where we find 2 bedrooms, one over here and another one in the end, that share 1 bathroom here in the middle. Whereas passing through this door, we get to a really spacious living area with a beautiful terracotta floor, and it also has its own fireplace. In the end of this room, we find the kitchen that has access over there to the garden that I'm about to show you. This monastery has its own private church. It is full of incredible details and it is fully restored. This is ideal to organize events, for example, like weddings. This property is ideal either as a private residence or as a wonderful boutique hotel in the heart of the green Umbria. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I will see you soon. Ciao!